Hello and welcome. You're watching Happiest Health. In today's episode, we have a special guest, Dr. R. Hemlata, Director, National Institute of Nutrition. Thank you so much for joining us, ma'am. In May, ICMR had released a few dietary guidelines, and one of the startling things was how protein supplements are bad. What are the dangers of protein supplements?
I wouldn't say directly dangerous. See, there is a lot of misconceptions around protein. Vegetarians cannot get protein. You have the appropriate combination and you follow dietary diversity as recommended in balanced diet, you will get all the required proteins. Proteins are available in all foodstuffs. All amino acids are available in all foodstuffs, only the levels differ. Like for example, if you have appropriate combination of cereals and pulses as recommended by our ICMR and 9 dietary guidelines for Indians, you will get all the required proteins. The combination can be 3 parts cereal, 1 part pulse legume, which is traditionally generally followed in India, or at least 5:1 ratio if you're taking non-vegetarian foods. It is very important to understand that just taking plain protein powders may not be actually digested and utilized appropriately. You need calories from other macronutrients also. There are 3 macronutrients: protein, carbohydrates, and fats. So unless you get enough calories from other macronutrients like carbs and fat, the pure protein that you take may not be utilized actually, even in case you take. Regarding the adverse effect, yes, if you take excessive protein than required, there are lots of acids released in your circulation, in your system, and these acids must be neutralized with adequate vegetables and fruits. Generally, protein powders are taken without adequate fruits and vegetables, so this acid will cause a load in your system. It will leach the calcium from the bones, so it can cause osteoporosis. Regular intake of extracted proteins for a long duration of period can tax your kidneys as well, because kidney finally has to extract all the excessive toxins that are produced.
The same with other supplements. When are supplements bad and dangerous? At what level? What should a common person understand?
Yes, see, for a normal, healthy living, wholesome food is recommended. Any extracted thing, not just protein, any extracted thing or supplement should be for a condition, for a duration, specified duration, and for specific condition, specific people. It cannot be generalized for all people. When you are healthy, when you are active, there is no need for supplements. And I mean, if you need to take supplements, go to your physician, get your body checked, see if there are deficiencies, then you can, as per the physician's advice, one can take.